How to fix the missing switch toggle that lets you change Outlook versions from New Outlook to Classic Outlook. So here I am in my desktop, and first let me open the new version of the Outlook application right here. So I have it right here in my taskbar. I can just click on it, and then here we are in Outlook. So normally the new Outlook will have this switch toggle right here that lets you change from the new Outlook to the Classic Outlook. So for example, if I click on the switch toggle, I can go back to the classic version of Outlook right here. So I can click continue, and then it says right here leaving the new Outlook, and then you can go ahead and enter this feedback if you want, or you can just skip it. Then from here it will go ahead and open the classic version of Outlook right here. And then if you don't have that, what you can do is that you can go to help right here, and then you will see the option right here to go to the Classic Outlook. So you can click that so that you can go ahead and close the new version of Outlook, and then you'll be redirected right here, and the same thing. So you can click skip feedback, and then it will also automatically open the classic version of Outlook. Another way is that you can go ahead to your search and then type in classic, and then you might see the classic version of Outlook right here. And then you can click on it so that you can also open the classic version of Outlook. What you can also do is that you can go to the registry editor. From here, you need to go here to preferences. So here is the full directory: computer, HKey current user, software, Microsoft Office 16.0, and then Outlook, then preferences. From here, you need to find the use new Outlook key right here. So here in preferences, so sometimes it's here, sometimes it's not, but the key right here has the name use new Outlook. And then from there, you just need to change the key from value 1 to value 0. So in my case, I don't have that key right now since I have the switch toggle. But if you don't have the switch toggle, you might have the key right here. So you can just double click on that key that says use new Outlook. So for example, I'll just use this as an example for the video. And then you can just change the value data from 1 to 0. So just change it into 0. And then that's it. So you can now click OK. And then you can close Outlook. And then you can open Outlook again so that you can see if the switch toggle is brought back in your new version of Outlook. And then that is it. I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.